Alright guys, just got out of a long class session here. About ready to go hit the gym now, and you know, after my class session, 3 hours long, I'm like really low on energy. So to kind of power me up, I got my shaker cup here full with some good old C4. That's what's going to be the power behind today's workout. We're going to be doing power upper body, and I'm going to need all the energy I can get to make sure that I could really tear this up and improve and get better as a bodybuilder and get bigger and stronger. So today's workout, C4 is going to help us. Hey, what's up guys? Ready here to start a power upper body workout. This is part of the PHAT training system. This is typically occurs on a Tuesday. This is when I hit everything upper body. I do a really heavy barbell bench press, typically a really heavy shoulder press. I'll hit some sumo dead, some really heavy stuff. That's really just going to basically be focusing on strength, because that's pretty much what I do at the beginning of the weekend. I'm going to go really heavy, going to go really hard, push myself. And I just got done getting powered up with my CELLUCOR C4, so I'm ready to rock and roll and get this thing on the road. And struggle with as much as I can. I'm going to do that for every single rep. The rep range is between 3 and 5. And I'm probably just going to do 2 sets on this, and then we're going to be done with chest and move on the back. So this is something that I really like to do because I feel like it helps me with my bench press. On this bench, and I'll actually show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. I'm just going to put my legs up here. You want to keep your body nice and straight, and you're basically just going to do pull up like this. You're going to try to come up as high as you can, almost touch your chest to the bar, and go up like that. So it's basically, it's kind of like a laying down pull up, if you would. But what I'm going to do to make it a little bit harder, because again, today's power day, we're going to try to go lower reps and stuff. I'm actually going to put a 45-pound plate on my lap. Alright guys, so that completely finishes off the power upper body workout, which is part of the PHAT system that I follow. So we're going to kind of show you a promo of this and hopefully get you guys a little chance to actually buy the whole entire workout at BentBarbell.com in the store section. It's going to be a full entire workout with a ton of tips and everything like that. So definitely go and definitely buy that. And then you can also follow me on Twitter at IFPA Ryan Nelson, and then also follow BentBarbell at the BentBarbell. So thank you guys for watching, and definitely stay tuned for that full length video that you can definitely purchase.